musician takes us back in time with the 1990 earthquake, a tribute to the resilience and strength of the community in the face of adversity. Through their music and dance, they honor the spirit of those who rebuilt and recovered from the devastation.